Every facility needs a versatile, quiet solution for ventilating and cooling damp, humid, or dry, musty spaces, or drying wet areas after leaks and floods. The Stealth AV3000 is that solution. The ultimate axial fan for directing high-velocity air virtually anywhere. The Stealth specially engineered fan blades and variable speed control lets you adjust the airflow and therefore the sound levels for the situation. That's especially critical in occupied spaces. Its integrated stand gives you ultimate airflow control to direct air up and down and around just about anywhere needed. For ventilation, place the Stealth in an open doorway to pull air in or out of a space. Place in the center of a room to circulate air. Dry floors, halls, and entryways after cleaning and inclement weather to reduce slip hazards. Used for ventilation and specialized drying in manufacturing, restaurants, casinos, construction, property management, hotels, and more. To maximize use of limited power and outlets, the Stealth pulls just 2.7 amps. You can connect up to 4 per standard 15 amp outlet by daisy chaining fans using its 25-foot cord and onboard power outlet to reach wherever needed and eliminate extra trip hazards. The Stealth's flexible handle makes for easy carrying and it stacks securely for transport or compact storage. To accelerate drying, especially after a leak or flood, direct the warm, dry air from a Dri-Eaz dehumidifier into the Stealth. The air movement promotes evaporation of the water from wet materials and circulates it into the air so the dehumidifier can effectively remove the moisture. This is a basic drying principle. Air movers and dehumidifiers work together for the most efficient moisture control. Dri-Eaz is the leading choice for reliability, durability, ease of use, outstanding technical support and service, and great ROI.